Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove your listing from the Airbnb website. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your account, all you need to do is to go to your listing. So basically you will need to click on your profile and then search for manage listing. You click on the manage listing button, and then we'll find here all your listings. So basically let's just go for insights, and now we are going to search for the listings in the menu, and basically this is our listing. You click on the listing, and then we will go to listing basics, and here we will find the listing status. You click on it, you edit, and then you will need to choose deactivate, and as you can see it will permanently remove your listing from Airbnb, and then you will need just to add a reason and then click next and save, and you will have your listing that will be removed from Airbnb successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.